How to fix Capcut rendering field. In order to fix a rendering or export failure, what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure to open up your Capcut and make sure to check the file size. Sometimes if the file size is larger than the compatibility, then it could be an issue while rendering as well. And next, what you also want to do is, sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and open the Capcut app. And once you do this, so actually you want to update, right? So go to your respective app store and locate Capcut and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version as well. If that's not the case, next what you could also do is open settings on your device. Once you do this, you want to make sure to go ahead and locate apps from the list. And as you locate apps, you want to go to Capcut and make sure to clear cache and storage. That might also be able to help. However, if the issue still persists on, what you could do is simply uninstall Capcut or reinstall it, and you could also compress the file if you can. And that's how you will be able to fix Capcut on rendering field. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.